perfect nude shade that matches your skin tone? Ah. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Use your foundation instead. Here are some few simple steps. Firstly, apply a base coat. Here I am using Nykaa's 2-in-1 top and base coat. You can use any other base coat as you like. Let it dry completely. Then apply the liquid latex peel off on the sides of your nails. In case you don't have the liquid peel off, you can also use some Fevicol. It will take some more time to dry, but eventually will do the same job. Now grab your foundation and dab some on your fingertip. Then gently apply it on your nails. Be careful that you don't press too hard, otherwise you will end up leaving fingerprints on your nail. Now leave it to dry for at least 10 minutes. Now finish off with the top coat. Here I am using Nykaa's matte top coat. You can use either shiny or matte as you like. While applying the top coat, be gentle. Let it dry. Peel the latex off completely and clean the excess foundation, if any, using a Q-tip dipped into water. You can also use a dry Q-tip. And voila! Your perfect nude nails are done!